Hello, sunshine lovers. My name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. If you like sun, beach, and all things in between, then you're going to like this one today. I am in the municipality of Pilar de Horadada, a beautiful and peaceful residential area located in the southern part of Alicante and not too far from the Murcian border. This is a place where people get to enjoy Mediterranean climate most of the year and also is very family friendly, expatriate friendly, and also retirement friendly. The properties that I'm going to be showing you today are ideal if you're looking for that second home, as it is fantastic in the sense that it gives you modern features, minimal fuss, and a nice amount of space. These are bungalows that offer on the ground floor 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and on the upper floor 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, giving you a living space of approximately 90 square metres and distributed on one floor. They are fantastic. So let's begin the tour. As I come into Marvic III, I'm coming into the actual urbanization itself. They're currently under construction, and as you can see, there will be zones and communal areas, but they are currently right now in the process of doing the communal swimming pool. But this actually is the walkway that leads you directly into the properties. You have an entrance point for those that have a property on the ground floor, and also stairs that take you up to the first floor if your bungalow is on the first floor. But I'm going to show you the ground floor model today. So as you come in through the front door, you can see that there is a spacious entry porch, which is really quite nice. But what I love about it is that you not only have entrance to the front door, but it also carries on around the home as well. So as you're coming down into the main outdoor living space of the outdoor space, at least you have here a very spacious terrace where you can enjoy and appreciate some of this climate. It does carry on, and it also does surround the property as well really nicely. So as you come in through the front door main entrance, you are coming into a light and bright, inviting open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers 30 square metres with a ceiling height of just under 2.6 metres. What I really like about the space is you've got that continuity between all living zones. And so here I am stood at the moment in your living space. This living room is really nice in the sense that it's well illuminated by natural sunlight and is overlooking patio doors that give you access directly to the ground floor terrace that you would enjoy those warmer days on. It then also leads really nicely to your dining space. This dining table would be quite easily set to dine for, and you actually do have a nice amount of seamlessness leading towards the kitchen. As you see as well, within the specifications of the home, you have included LED lighting, electric shutters, and it goes on as we enter the kitchen. So the kitchen features a central island. This island not only functions as your breakfast bar for 2 on one side, but also holds cabinetry on the other. Within it also you have your dishwasher, as well as your kitchen sink. All of your appliances are Belay, and so they continue on the other side with, in the corner, your hidden refrigerator and freezer. You also have your microwave and your oven, and then a continuation of your countertop space with your cabinetry. You have the cooking hob and also the extractor here underneath. What I really like is they've gone for a soft tones, and they do offer different types of finishes and colour palettes within the second phase of this construction, which is also quite nice. Now I'm going to take you through to where you would be experiencing that nighttime feel. And so as I take you into this spacious and quite wide hallway, it has these storage built-in wardrobes that are designed to house your white goods, so your washing machine, your tumble dryer, and anything else that you might need to be stored away. I'm now going to take you into the first bedroom. So the first bedroom is much like the rest of the home with a similar interior feel, light, bright and inviting. The space is 10 square metres. On one side, you have patio doors that lead to the rear part of the terraces on the ground floor. And then you also have on the other wall your built-in wardrobes. Coming out of the first bedroom now, I'm going to take you along the hall into the second bedroom. The second bedroom is again very similar to the first. It gives you again 10 square meters. You have a large window on one side in this room, and then on the other you have also your fitted wardrobes. What's great as well is that the bedrooms, just like the rest of the living spaces, come with great specifications. You've got power points, access to internet, you also have your LED lighting throughout, and there is also pre-installation for your air conditioning in all rooms. Now across the hall you will see that you have a fully equipped bathroom, which is also quite spacious. And then as I come out of the bathroom and I'm going towards the end of the hall, it leads nicely to the primary suite. The primary suite is simple in interior design like the other rooms. It offers you 15 square meters of space. On one side, you have bright light and inviting views through a window. And then they've also taken advantage of the space in the primary by creating two built-in wardrobe areas here, giving you a little bit extra in terms of storage. What's really nice as well is they've made it very complete by incorporating it with an ensuite bathroom that also gives you two vanities. What I like is that they are light and bright, the bathrooms, and they also come fully equipped. As we go up the stairs, I'm now going to show you the other model, which features two bedrooms and two bathrooms. It is on the upper floor, offering a similar design and feel, but with slightly different layout. So here you have your entry area, which again gives you private entry point, as well as a little terrace overlooking your front door. Then we're going to go in through the front door. And it brings you again into a lovely open plan living room, dining room and kitchen space. Altogether the space is the same, offering 30 square meters. And I do like the seamless balance where you do have your patio doors on both sides of your kitchen and also your living room in this model. They've also changed the kitchen ever so slightly, so you have a peninsula as your island, and you also have it of the focus on this side. Your peninsula still gives you a breakfast spa dining for two, and also gives you storage cabinets underneath. And then what I'm going to do is take you now to where you will have things slightly different with regard to your bedrooms. So in the hall, it gives you full access to the first bedroom. And this bedroom would be the primary suite. It has, again, the same type of specifications, gives you a separate bedroom space, but you also then have a separate area that you can use as your walk-in closet, which I do also like that touch that they have done with that. You also have within this suite an ensuite bathroom. Coming back into the hall, and I'm now going to take you to the second bedroom. And this bedroom again has a similar interior feel and also offers 10 square meters. Here in Pilar de Horadada, you're probably wondering to yourself, what makes this particular area so charming? Well, it does actually offer over 5 kilometres of coastline, providing you with at least 5 beaches that you can enjoy all through the year. All of these beaches have been awarded blue flag status, which means they're kept clean, hygienic, and are also providing services on hand for people that use them throughout the year, 365 days a year. What's also really nice about this location is you are overlooking plenty of natural landscapes. You have the Salinas of San Pedro de Pinatar to enjoy. You also have the Rio Seco Natural Park, as well as old monuments from Roman times if you'd like to look at archaeological interest. And so it does actually offer quite a lot. But let's think about also the day-to-day facilities and services, the things that you need on hand within reach easily. Well, you have plenty of pharmacies, supermarkets, schools, shops, restaurants, bars, and even chiringuitos on some of these beaches to enjoy. And so that's why it has so much appeal. That being said as well, being such close proximity to Murcia really enables one to take advantage of being near to and able to use both provinces. Coming from your terrace, it does also give you a stairwell that leads to your own private solarium. This is an opportunity for you to be able to enjoy additional outdoor living space that you can pretty much use all year round to your liking. And what I really love about it is it gives you a great sense again of where it is that you are. Look at the size of this solarium though, and the potential possibilities as to how you can use it. This is an area that is actually full of life, despite its peaceful facade. You have overlooking us a local school where you could probably hear the children playing and laughing in the playground as they're having their recreational break. But you're also surrounded by lots of agricultural land. And you even have, with the solarium option, the views of the Mediterranean Sea. Whilst I am basking, enjoying this beautiful climate that we're experiencing today, I'm going to deliver you the nitty-gritty. The property tax or EB is €400 per year, the community fee is €50 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. These are ideal homes if you're looking for that second property or vacation home. They're ready to move into shortly. And what you saw today was actually the last of the construction within the phase that they are currently in. They are going to be starting another phase shortly, and so do bear in mind if this is a model that you like. Anyway, for anything else that you would like to know in relation to this listing, please go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was lovely to see you again, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!